In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook Lite account permanently. Before we begin, remember that permanently deleting your account means you'll lose access to your profile, your messages, photos, and any pages you manage with that account. If there's anything important you want to keep, like pictures or conversations, make sure you download or save them first. Once the deletion is complete, you won't be able to get that data back. Let's start by opening the Facebook Lite app on your phone and logging into the account you want to delete. From the home screen, look towards the top right corner for the menu icon. In Facebook Lite, this usually looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that to open the main menu. Inside the menu, scroll down until you see the Settings or Settings and Privacy section. Then tap on it. This will take you to a screen with different options related to your account and privacy. Here, you want to look for something labeled Account, Personal Information, or Account Ownership and Control. On some versions, the option might be under Privacy Settings, so take a moment to scan the list carefully. Once you're in the Account Control section, look for Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on that, and you should see 2 choices. One to temporarily deactivate your account, and another to permanently delete it. Since we're focusing on permanent deletion, select the option for Delete Account. Facebook will usually show you a summary of what deletion means, and may offer alternatives like deactivation or downloading your information. If you haven't already backed up your data, this is your last chance to do it. When you're ready to continue, tap on the button to proceed with deleting your account. You may be asked to enter your password again, just to confirm that it's really you making this change. Type in your password carefully and then tap Continue or Confirm. Facebook might also ask you to choose a reason for leaving. Select the option that fits best, or pick Other if none of them apply, and then move forward. Finally, confirm that you want to permanently delete the account. After you confirm, your account will be scheduled for deletion. In many cases, Facebook gives you a short grace period where you can log back in and cancel the deletion. But if you don't do that, the account and its data will be removed permanently. And that's it. You've now gone through the full process of permanently deleting your Facebook Lite account.